Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. I would love you guys to be a part of my little makeup family. So, today I am going to talk to you guys about a group of palettes that I ordered. And in the various makeup collection videos, I saw a lot of people who had this, and I was like, all right, I'm sold. The good part is it's from I Heart Revolution, and it's the little donut palettes. Is that not precious? So this one is chocolate dipped, and all of them are mushy. This is what the inside of this looks like. It performs beautifully. I've used a few of the colors to add to other palettes or do some things because I really wanted to film this for you. So this, like I said, is chocolate dipped. The next one I have is Blueberry Crush. And this is what Blueberry Crush looks like. I'm sorry, I did not take them all out of the package. I should have done that. I should have done that. This is what that palette looks like. Is that not gorgeous? Well, so I'm really excited to get into it. I'm very interested in this shade right here. So yeah, really cute stuff. And this is Blueberry Crush. So what else do I got here? I think I got them all. They're like $5 for each, I want to say. For what I saw for performance, you can't beat $5. It's like when I bought all the little e.l.f. palettes. You can't beat it. You cannot. Now this one is Maple Glazed. And I'm having a hard time getting it out of the box. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Smushy. Smushy! And this is what it looks like on the inside. So, here I am. I just filmed a video with this look. Do you know, I don't have mascara on. I'm going to have to fix that. Sorry guys. I'm a little bit off my rocker, as you can tell. We're going to use my Voluminous Original. Because obviously I don't need that much if I didn't even notice I didn't have it on. What a crouton. What a crouton, Susan. What are you doing? Crouton. Yes, she is. So I was thinking about like how I would display these little donut palettes. Woo! Oh, that's not good, Susan. And what I'm thinking about doing is getting one of those tiered, either glass or stainless steel, like racks that you serve cookies and tea sandwiches and stuff like that on, and spreading these palettes all around that because they're too cute to put in a drawer. All right. Wow, what a difference a little bit of mascara makes. I thought something's missing. Duh. Okay, I'm sorry guys. Back to the palettes. So the next one that I have is I believe it's the Raspberry. Yeah, it's a raspberry palette. I thought I had a strawberry one too. We'll see. This is what this one looks like. And, oh, that's what it looks like on the inside. What do you think? Amazing, correct? Correct. I say it's amazing, it's amazing. No, you're amazing. So then I do have the Strawberry Sprinkles palette. And this is what that one looks like. I really cannot wait to dig into all of these. I mean, all right. Oh, there's more. I have a mint chocolate chip palette. These are the filled ones. I don't think that they're really that different. There's maybe less in them. We'll see. And it is squishy too. Squishy. So these are just like a pie. And it's green. It's green. Gina. It's green, Gina. This video is just to show you the palettes. I want you guys to comment below which ones you would like to see me do. This is a berry jam palette. And that is what that looks like. And it's another one I'm super excited to get my hands into. There's not necessarily any mattes, but there are some satins in here that I'd be happy to use. I'm happy to use them. Here is a cherry pie one. If I told you how much more laundry I had to do, you'd laugh at me. There's that one, the cherry pie. And then I have a chocolate custard. And who doesn't love custard donuts with chocolate on top? It's one of my favorites. One of me favorites, although I do like a good old raspberry. All right, squishy. Ugh. I mean, that's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. There's more. There's more. I promise. We are not done yet. And I'm not convinced I haven't put another one somewhere. But yeah, this one is going to be the sugar-coated one. And it amazes me how much they look like a little, and this was actually losing glitter all over me, so I look like a freaking porn star. Sorry, I didn't say that. That was not, I'm sorry, I didn't say that. And this is what it looks like on the inside, like a smoky look, and there's actually a little pink in there too. Susan, you can't be saying that stuff. People got their kids around when they're watching. Okay, and then I have another one, and this is Custard Fill. Tell you what, they got these things locked up tight. Oh my God, this has actually got stuff that's falling off the front. The front looks like that. And then this is so me. I mean, just, and they are like butter. Butter, I tell you. Absolute butter. Oh, that yellow. Look at that yellow. Gold. I mean, I just can't wait. All right, you guys. That is all my donut palettes. They're fabulous. I got mine from Ulta online. And I just think that they're amazing. And if they perform anything like they, swatch on your fingers, they are going to be out of this world. So please leave some comments below and let me know which one of these, or if you want me to do all of them. I can do a whole week of videos about these palettes. Please leave some comments down below. And I'm not supposed to say All right, guys. I will see you next time. I love you guys so, so much. Mwah. Our other